For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda has decided to contest upcoming Rajya Sabha polls in Karnataka. JDS Supremo H.D. Deve Gowda will file his nomination for Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. Former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy took to Twitter and said that his father H.D. Deve Gowda decided to contest Rajya Sabha polls after Congress interim President Sonia Gandhi and party legislators requested him to contest.
Former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda have decided to contest the Rajya Sabha elections at the request of party legislators, Congress, Sonia Gandhi ji and several national leaders. He is going to file his nominations tomorrow. Thanks to Sri Deve Gowda for agreeing to everyone's consensus.
Kumaraswamy also tweeted saying it was not an easy task to convince his father to contest the Rajya Sabha polls.
From the people, former Prime Minister Deve Gowda has seen success and defeat. By the people, he has acquired higher positions. It was not an easy task to persuade Deve Gowda to enter the Rajya Sabha.
Kumaraswamy also said that his father would be the state's top representative in Rajya Sabha.
Finally, H.D. Deve Gowda responded to everyone's hope and ambition. He will be the state's top representative in the Rajya Sabha.
4 Rajya Sabha seats from the state will become vacant as 4 sitting RS MPs will retire on June 25th. Rajiv Gowda and B.K. Hariprasad of the Congress, Prabhakar Kore of the Bharatiya Janata Party and D. Kupendra Reddy of the JDS will retire. D.K. Shivkumar said the party high command would decide on alliance with JDS.
Congress party has already given their announcement in the national level what has to be done. And all announcement will come from the Congress party, from the headquarters. See, we are very clear, we are very clear that we doesn't want any BJP third candidate to win the election. There is no doubt in it. We are a secular party and my leader Srimati Sonia Gandhi will take a call on this.
The BJP has announced its candidate's name for the upcoming Rajya Sabha polls. Iranna Kadadi and Ashok Gasti have been selected as the candidates for the upcoming polls. The Karnataka BJP unit had recommended names of Prabhakar Kore, Ramesh Katti and Prakash Shetty. The BJP High Command has selected Kadadi and Gasti who have RSS background. Kadadi is active in politics since 1989 and Gasti is a lawyer by profession. The election to fill 4 Rajya Sabha seats from Karnataka is scheduled on June 19th. June 9th is the last date to file nominations. Each candidate needs 44 votes in order to get elected as Rajya Sabha member.